Hello and welcome to Blocs Master. My name is Elder and this is the new Blocs Master weekly episode. Even though it is already Sunday and, well, it's obviously too late for many of you, but I have promised to release a video every week, so this is why at 10 p.m. on Sunday I'm recording this video. I was very busy this week with my startup, so I had to wait until today to start working on the new template, which is the Flora template, and it is very cool. I will release it in a couple of days and probably make a video about it as well. But today I just want to focus on one page of this template, and I want to show you how to use custom interactions to create some cool pricing selector. So without further ado, let's go to our gift card page. So this is the page, and right now there is just one price and one purchase button. What I want to do, I want to add an option to select different values for gift card. Actually, this page has the shop item, the flower page as well, like flower selector page or like purchase page. And here I just have one page, one price, and one purchase button. You can use the same technique if you get this template to choose to add maybe different sizes for the product. So here I have just one product, but maybe you want to add like small, medium, and large sizes and different prices. So inside the template, I just kept it to be just one price because I don't want to complicate all of the pages. But for the gift certificate or gift card page, I am going to build it and I will show you how to do that. So I will move fast, but well, if there are any questions or you didn't understand something, please let me know in the comments below and I will do my best to explain everything. So I will add a selector and I will start with typing a text. So select a value. By the way, sorry if I rumble or speak not clear enough. Again, I'm quite tired right now. It was a very busy week for me. So I will adjust the margins and paddings a little bit. So inside this div container, I want to place 4 div containers or maybe just 4 buttons. I think 4 buttons will also work. So I will add a button and I will make this wire button, small size, and this will be the value. So 25. In addition to that, I will also have 50, 75, or maybe I don't need 75, let's just go to 100. I think 3 will be more than good enough. So I will add let's name this Laura buttons, and I will add some gap. So let's add 10 between these buttons. And let's check how it will look on mobile. Yeah, I think it will be perfect on all devices. I will add a little bit more padding or margin below. So this is fine. I think that I like it. And by default, it is $25. So let's say that I want this price to be kind of highlighted here, which is I already selected $25 by default. So I will create a new class. I will call this Flora Active. And inside this class, I will just change color of the text and color of the border like this. So now you can see that the $25 option is selected, and this is why the price is 25. So what I want to do when I click on 50, I want this price to be set to 50, and I want this button to be changed to another button for $50 gift card. And of course, you can link this button to a PayPal payment link or some other payment processor. It's up to you. So inside the template, I'm not gonna add any e-commerce, of course. So I will set this paragraph text break to have an ID of price. It will be important when we create the custom interaction. And I will set the IDs for each of these pricing buttons. So for 25, I will type price 25. For 50, I will type price 50, and for 100 I will type price 100, of course. And now one thing which is left is to have multiple buttons. Of course, there are actually multiple ways to do that. I can actually change the link this button is linked to when clicked on these buttons, but it is a little bit more complicated. Today I will show you the simpler way. Basically, let's have 3 cards. And actually, to make it simple, let me first put it inside div like this. And I will just type $50 and $100 so we can see when the price of the card will change. And okay, so what I want to do now, by default, I want to hide $50 and $100 cards. So what I will do, I will add the class hide. So the class hide will be set in positioning tab. Display will be set to none. So this will not be visible by default. And now when I click on this 50 button, I want the active state design, which is this orange color, be applied to this button. I want the price to be changed to $50, and I want this button also changed to $50 button. And that's actually very simple. These the new custom interactions we have in Blocs. Before doing that, let me actually select the 3 buttons here in the sidebar, and I will make sure to add the IDs to the button purchase buttons as well. So we have added the IDs to the pricing buttons, but not to the purchase buttons here. So this one is, well, button 25. I will add this to button 50 and button 100 to all 3 buttons like this. Now I'm ready to dive into custom interactions. So I will select the first, well, let's select the second button, which is $50, and we will apply the custom interaction. And well, we will create new one because we don't have any. Let me open custom interaction manager, and I will create new interaction, and I will call this $50 50 card. There are a few things I want to do. So first of all is, remember, we have set the ID for this paragraph text to price. It means that we can now set text for the price to $50 when we click on 50. We can test it right away. Let's go to preview, and when we click on it, it's not working. Why? Because I didn't apply this custom interaction. So let's add $50 card to this 50 button. And if we test it now, as you can see, voila, it works. But of course, we need to change this active button and the button itself. So let's add a couple more classes. And there are a few ways we can do that. So I think that the best one will be to remove the class and add the class. So for remove the class, I will remove the class from price 25. I will remove the class Flora active, but also not just price 25. What if the price for 100 is already set to be 100, to be active? So I will also type price 100 here as well. So let's see what will happen now. So let's go to preview. As you can see now, the 25 card is not selected anymore. So let's add class as well. And you guessed it, we will add the class to the price 50, and we will add the same Flora active class. So let's see how it will look. Okay, perfect. We have selected 50 and the text was also changed to 50. Now we just need to change the button. Same story. Let's go to remove class, and I will remove the class from, I don't like how it's not responsive sometimes, custom interaction manager. It is awesome, but it is not responsive sometimes. So I want to remove the class hide from the button 50, and I want to add this class, if it's not there, to button 25 and button 100. So button 25 and button 100 will add hide. Hide. Okay, let's see if we're getting closer. Yeah, as you can see, we have $50 gift card. We have selected the 50 as our active price, and the text was also changed. And now we just need to do that 3 times. And of course we have duplicate option, so let's duplicate it. This one will be 25 card, and we will set the price to 25, and we will just change the 25 to 50 everywhere and 50 to 25, because we just replaced the previous option, and it should work right away. So let's see, and of course we need to apply it to the 25 button. So let's add 25 card. As you can see, the pricing is changing, the text is changing, it works perfectly. Let's do that for 100. So let's duplicate. Almost forgot, I need to add this custom interaction to the 100 button. So now it works perfect. And this is how you use custom interactions to build pretty much anything. And this is quite cool application, I think.